Hello, my name is Sahil Malik and welcome to my course Configuring Microsoft Azure Data Infrastructure Security. Bit by bit, we're all moving to the cloud, and with us we're bringing lots of data. Data are critical data that we wish to keep secure. And we are using numerous data products. You have many flavors of SQL Server, you have Cosmos DB, Azure Storage, so much more. This course will teach you how to secure your data infrastructure services running in the Microsoft Azure cloud. Relevant Azure products covered include Azure SQL Database, Cosmos DB, and Azure Data Lake. In this course, I will walk you through the various topics such as configuring firewalls, enabling authentication, the various authentication mechanisms, the various data product support, how to set up auditing so you know what's going on, and I do this across a wide array of Azure data products. With many data products come many permutations and combinations, and when it comes to security, you don't want to get it wrong, do you? By the end of this course, you will find yourself well equipped with a clear understanding of the various security-related capabilities of various Azure data products and how various other Azure security products help keep your data safe. I hope you find this course useful, and thank you for watching.